Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google BigQuery Console using Google Cloud. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type console.cloud.google.com and press enter. Once the Google Cloud Console loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your Google account email address in the provided field. Click the Next button. Now, input your password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any additional security verification, such as two-factor authentication. Once logged in, you will see the Google Cloud Console dashboard. In the project drop-down at the top of the page, select the project that you want to use with BigQuery. If you haven't created a project yet, click on New Project to set one up. After selecting your project, navigate to the left sidebar. Look for the BigQuery option, which may be under the Big Data section. Click on BigQuery to open the BigQuery console. Wait for the BigQuery UI to load, displaying the datasets and tables associated with your project. You are now successfully logged into the Google BigQuery console. From here, you can begin exploring datasets, running queries, and utilizing BigQuery's powerful data processing capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.